Radhe Radhe, welcome to part 4. Okay, and I'm sharing the link in the okay. Yeah, I have shared the link in WhatsApp group also. Okay. Today is part 4. Okay, so please join. Happy Navratri to all of you. I know नवरात्रि स्टार्ट हुए हैं आज से, तो सब लोग बिजी रहेंगे, बट लेट्स सी. Okay, so we'll start with the flowers. Lotus, we'll finish this flower today. Okay. Happy Navratri to all. And everybody must be busy with their puja and all. मैंने भी आज मेरा पूजा वगैरह सब फिनिश किया है. Okay, so फिनिश करके स्टार्ट करने में थोड़ा सा, इसीलिए 5-10 मिनट्स लेट हो गया है सब कुछ करके. ओके, विल स्टार्ट विद दिस फ्लावर. दिस इज सेंटर फ्लावर एंड दिस इज वेरी लाइट इन कलर. ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू टेक क्रिम्सन एंड वाइट. Okay, so I'm taking crimson, white and one flat brush, and if it is required to blend it, you can take one more brush also. Okay, so what are our colors? Crimson and white, but this flower is very light in color, so take crimson little bit. Okay, थोड़ा सा ही crimson चाहिए हमें, so थोड़ा सा ही बाहर निकालो, ज्यादा निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, take little bit of crimson in your palette and more white, because this is almost white flower, light pink. Okay, so we'll take little bit of crimson and white. Okay, crimson and white, and we have to mix it. Mix crimson with white. Okay, white में mix करेंगे, and we need very light pink. Okay, so take more white. See, very light pink, okay, very light. And we'll start with this petal, okay. या सब लोग बिजी होंगे है ना, अपने अपने नवरात्रि का फर्स्ट डे है आज. बट नो इश्यूज, हम विल कंप्लीट दिस फ्लावर और जब भी टाइम मिलेंगे वो अपना फिनिश कर लेंगे, ओके. सो बट दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पेंटिंग एंड बिग साइज पेंटिंग, यू मस्ट ट्राई. I'm taking little bit of white in the same brush and I'm adding white this side, okay, white this side, yeah. And same, this is very light flower, okay, so we have to add more of white and less crimson, okay. I'm taking white, pure white, and adding here. And this side also, okay. So basically we have a little bit of pink in between, okay, here like this, and blend it, okay. Same with this petal. Add light color, okay. Yeah. Add light color. Yeah, once we have added this light color, now we'll take white, okay, and we have to add white this side of the petal, okay, this side of the petal. First we have to give one shade, and after that you have to correct it with highlights and darkness, okay. So here it is white, and take little bit of crimson in your brush and little bit of crimson and add this side and blend it, okay. And you have to take one liner brush because we have crimson on the tip of the leaves, okay. So I will take one liner brush, add crimson on the tip, okay, on the tip, and blend it. And blend it blend, blend, blend. This side it is white, okay? Yeah. And we'll finish this petal. Okay, yeah. And we'll add crimson on the tip and we'll blend this side, okay? We'll blend it this side because it is a little dark this side. And blend it. Okay. We'll take little bit of ultramarine blue, okay? Why ultramarine blue? Because that is shadow, okay? Whenever we have shadow, that is little bit of purplish color, okay? Okay, just little bit of crimson, okay? See, I've taken very little bit of crimson and we have to mix crimson and ultramarine blue. Will get violet or purplish color and we'll add little bit of white in it, so with that we get this shadow color, okay? We have to add white, more white, and I'm going to use this color here, okay? So this is shadow. This petal is behind this petal, okay? So whenever it is behind, we get this shadow, no? This petal's shadow is falling on this petal, okay? So whenever we add shadow, that is little bit of purplish bluish color, okay? And we have to blend it. Oh, good morning गीता जी, good morning, thank you for joining. आज नवरात्रि स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना, तो मुझे लगा कि कोई ज्वाइन हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है पता नहीं चल रहा है, बट गुड, यू आर ऑल देयर. थैंक यू जयमाला जी, थैंक यू नलिनी जी, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. राधे राधे. एंड यहाँ पे कमेंट्स भी ना थोड़ा सा लेट से आते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. Okay, and we have to blend it and we'll leave that here, okay? And again हम नीचे का बना रहे हैं. we'll paint this, okay? Light pink. How do we make light pink? Crimson and white, okay? See, yeah, and in this petal also we have to show the shadow. So first I am applying the base color. What is our base color? Light pink. Okay, हमारा बेस कलर क्या है? लाइट पिंक. और लाइट पिंक का हम कैसे बनाते हैं? क्रिम्सन एंड white, and you have to add more white on the top side, okay, on the tip of the leaf. It is very light here. And हाँ जी गीता जी, पूजा के बाद ना मैं भी पूजा करके मैंने भी स्टार्ट किया एंड 5-10 मिनट्स लेट हो गया था, बट यू कांट हेल्प इट. अभी पूजा कर रहे तो टाइम तो लगेगा. Good morning, Simmi ji. Thank you for joining. Okay, again we have to give the shadow. Shadow हम कैसे देंगे? What is our shadow? Good morning, Shobita ji. Good morning. Thank you for joining. So we have to take ultramarine blue and little bit of crimson, and we get this kind of shadow shade. Okay, ये हमारा shadow वाला shade है. Okay, but I will add little bit of white. इतना dark shadow भी नहीं है, just the hint. Okay, so we have to give this shadow color here. Yeah, पहले तो दशहरे में 10 days का हमें अच्छे से छुट्टी होता था, है ना. लेकिन आजकल तो स्कूल तो रहते ही है, पता ही नहीं चलता है. नवरात्रि स्टार्ट हुआ है. हैप्पी नवरात्रि शोभिता जी. हैप्पी नवरात्रि टू यू ऑल. ओके, एंड ये हमें शैडो में देना है. वो हार्ड शैडो ही है. ओके, एंड आई विल एड लिटिल बिट ऑफ शैडो हियर ऑल्सो. ठीक है, इन दिस पेटल. या, एंड I will wash my brush. Okay, why I am washing my brush? Because my brush is like little bit, it is getting dry. So if I wash my brush, then my brush will have little bit of water in it. Then again our paints, we can paint smoothly. Okay, मैंने वॉश क्यों किया? बिकॉज मेरे ब्रशेस ड्राई हो रहे थे, एंड इसलिए ब्रश वॉश करने से क्या होगा, पेंट में ब्रश में थोड़ा सा पानी आ जाएगा, है ना. विल नॉट एड वाटर टू द पेंट, विल जस्ट वॉश आवर ब्रशेस, देन वाइप ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा वाटर फ्रॉम योर ब्रश, बट it is still wet. Okay, so now our paints will move smoothly again. So we'll paint this petal here. It is white. It is merging with this flower. Okay, ये ऊपर वाला फ्लावर से मर्ज हो रहा है, but we have to give it here. Yeah, now my brush is moving smoothly again. Okay, we should not add water to the paint. If we add too much water, then we'll get patches. So we don't want that. Okay, this is almost white. Okay, this petal is almost white, but we'll add little bit of shadows, then we can see. Okay, I'm adding little bit of crimson to my paint. Okay, I'm adding little bit of crimson, and we'll add this color here, little bit here. You have to leave white edges, okay? You have to leave white edges. Okay, and take shadow and we'll place this shadow here. Shadow effect, okay? So here it is little bit dark, so I'm adding blue again to this petal, okay? Yeah. And I will take liner brush, take white, add your highlight properly. Yeah, here and here also. Okay, and we'll add little bit of crimson on the tip also. Okay, and blend it. Yeah, pull it down, take white and blend it. Okay, yeah. Very good. And otherwise also, if brush is dry and your paint is also dry, then what you have to do, just again you have to dip your brush in water. Just dip the tips. Okay, ये मैंने सिर्फ टिप डिप किया है वाटर में. ओके, you just have to dip it in the water. अभी ब्रश में पानी है, we have water in our brush. Then mix it, mix the paint. So we want that much water only. Okay, we don't want too much water, we want very little bit of water. So you have to dip your brush in water. That's it, your paints are activated. Okay, white, yeah, and white here. Okay, white means very light pink. Okay, light pink here. Okay, it will take some time, but you know, this is a very beautiful painting. You must try, and whenever you complete it, please post it on Artspire Facebook group. So I'll also feel happy कि इतना मेहनत करके मैंने सिखाया है, तो थोड़ा सा कुछ तो फायदा हुआ है. Okay, then you will also feel happy. बाकी सब जब appreciate करते हैं. Okay, this is a very beautiful painting. You must try, and whenever you complete this painting, please post it on Artspire. I'll feel happy, and others will also feel motivated, okay, to paint this beautiful painting. सिमी जी, हाँ फैन तो जरूर बंद होना चाहिए, ओके, लेकिन एसी चलेगा, एसी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। एसी तो डायरेक्ट हवा नहीं मारता है ना टू द पेंट्स, ओके। Yes, while working with acrylics, fan should be off. AC doesn't matter. AC. Okay. You should not sit under the fan exactly while working with the acrylics, okay? That you can work in AC room. नहीं तो समर में फिर मर ही जाएंगे हम। Thank you, Simi ji. Thank you. And this is a little bit pink. Okay. Okay, white in between. यहाँ पे this is more of white, and you have to leave the edges. Okay, so edges are a little bit pinkish. Yeah, and I'm taking liner brush. We have to give crimson on the tip and pull it down, blend it. Okay. You can pull this till here. Yeah. Okay, and ये जो dark the shade which we are giving, it is coming from here. Okay, just make it like this and blend it. Blend it. Okay, give a little bit of blending here. Yeah. Take white, light pink. Okay, take light pink and we'll finish this petal. Okay, we'll finish this petal. We'll add little bit of darkness in between. Okay, take liner brush, add crimson on the top and pull it down, and we'll blend it. Okay, we'll blend it and leave little bit of white edges. Pull it down. Yeah, blend it. Okay, like this. You have to we'll add little bit of, this is the one which is behind this petal. Okay, blend it. Okay, blend it. It is showing something like this, so you have to blend it. I will add more white here. And blend it. Yeah, okay. And white on this petal also. White on the edges, okay? Yeah. Okay, Simi ji, I will share the brushes. Link na, हाँ, link भेजना था. I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. I will share all the links for brushes, canvas, butter paper, carbon paper, है ना? गीता जी, ये इसको फिल्बर्ट ब्रश बोलते हैं. See some filbert brush. This is filbert brush. Little bit of curve here. Okay. तो उसमें क्या होता है, फ्लैट ब्रश. These are flat brushes, right? वो बिल्कुल straight है. And this is little bit of curvy shape. These are called filbert brush. Okay, ये दिख रहा है ना? हाँ. तो उसमें क्या होता है, जब हम कॉर्नर्स पे काम कर रहे होते हैं तो इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, ये भी Amazon पे मिल जाते हैं. आई विल शेयर ऑल द लिंक्स. ओके. एंड ग्रिड का भी मैंने इस वाले पेंटिंग जब स्टार्ट कर रहे थे तो शायद नहीं बताया. ग्रिड कैसे बनाना है आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, है ना? अदरवाइज आई विल मेक वन वीडियो हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ग्रिड. सो ये फिल्बर्ट ब्रश क्या होता है, सामने थोड़ा सा टिप जैसे आ जाता है ना. ओके, शार्प एज आ जाता है. तो यहाँ पे कॉर्नर्स में जब हम जाते हैं इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. Yeah, I will make one video for like how to use the grid. Okay. See, my brushes are not moving. Okay. So what is the solution? You have to wash your brush. ग्रिड के बहुत सारे एप्स होते हैं सिमी जी. ये नॉर्मल अपना उसमें नहीं होता है, अपना गूगल प्ले स्टोर में आप जाके ग्रिड ऐप डालेंगे ना तो आ जाता है. वो स्टार्टिंग में जो एक दो होते हैं ना वो यूज कर सकते हैं आप. ओके. तो दैट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. टेक वाइट. मेरा वाइट खत्म हो गया है. ओके. सो उसमें क्या होगा, आपका ड्राइंग भी इंप्रूव होगा and painting both. And I have shared earlier also because आप लोग अभी इस वाले में ज्वाइन किया है शायद. बहुत सारे पहले फ्री क्लासेस भी बहुत सारे हैं. You can go and check. I have given a lot of free classes before this also. So I have explained there once again, but I'll explain once again here. You have to draw on butter paper. Okay. You should not draw anything on the canvas. You should draw only on butter paper first. Then you have to trace it on the canvas, because if you draw directly on the canvas, what will happen if you if you want to erase something, then you take eraser and you erase on this, then you'll spoil the quality of the canvas. Okay. So you should not draw directly on the canvas. You should draw on butter paper, then you should trace it on canvas. Okay. थैंक यू सिमी जी, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग। क्या मैं तो भूल ही जाती हूँ, प्लीज शेयर कीजिएगा इफ इट इज पॉसिबल। वी हैव टू ऐड शैडो हियर, सो आई एम टेकिंग, यस सिमी जी, बड़ा साइज का ही मिलता है, आई गेस 40 इंचेस बाय 5 मीटर का कुछ होता है। यू हैव टू टेक दैट, अदरवाइज यू गेट A4 size, A3 size butter papers, but we are not, using, this is not A4 size or A3 size, this is big size. So you have to take big size canvas only, that is 40 inch by 5 meter, I guess. Okay, so you should take that one, then you can cut it according to your painting size. Okay, see, if you draw something with your pencil like this, यहाँ पे अगर आपने ड्रॉ किया, ठीक है, देन वो वहां पे रह भी जाता है। ओके, so you get that graphite color in your paints also. Okay, and your painting will get like, it is muddy, you'll get muddy colors because वो graphite कितना भी आप erase करो वो जाता नहीं है। So what is the best solution? You have to draw it on butter paper, then trace it on canvas. Okay, we have to give shadow effect here, and this is yellow, so we'll take yellow later. Let me finish these petals first. Okay, thank you Simi ji, thank you. And I hope you use these tips and tricks. Okay, and you paint this, you will paint this beautiful painting. I want to see, like, I want to see all your works. Okay, let's see how many people will paint this beautiful painting, because I have given a lot of free classes, but this is burnt sienna, Shobita ji, but you don't have to make this outline. Okay, because if you are using yellow carbon paper, you'll get these kind of lines. Okay, why I have given burnt sienna outline? Because to see you people to see it. Okay, आप लोगों को देखने के लिए, because in the camera you will not able to see these yellow color fine lines. Okay, so that's why, to make it visible to you guys, I have given this burnt sienna lines, otherwise it is not required. Can you see these yellow lines? ये कार्बन पेपर का येलो लाइन्स है, बट सम पीपल से कि हमें नहीं दिख रहा है, आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी इट, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जनरली व्हाट आई डू, आई गिव डार्क लाइन्स, ओके, विद बर्nt sienna, but it is not required. You don't have to draw this burnt sienna line. Okay, it is not required. Okay, yeah, here we have to finish this petal. Okay, so there are 3 types of brushes: round brush, flat brush. These are like minimum requirement to paint any painting. Okay, and third kind of brush is filbert brush, this is also, you know, kind of useful thing. And after that you get angle brush and fan brush, that brush, this brush, you know, but you don't have to take all of those brushes. You can work with flat and round brushes only. I have purchased all those brushes, but I don't use them. Maximum I use flat brushes, round brushes, and sometimes like I like this filbert brush also. We have one more petal. This is very dark, okay? So don't purchase too many brushes, only flat, round brushes and filbert brush, okay? Yeah, yellow carbon line is enough. You can see it, right? So you don't have to give any burnt sienna outlines. I have given burnt sienna outline because I have to take the class, right? So you guys can see where is the outline. Otherwise it is not required. If you can see, like here also yellow lines are there. It is visible in the camera also, but some people say we are not able to see where is the line, what is the grade. अगर ग्रिड कैनवस पर बनाए तो हाँ, वो ग्रिड भी दिखता है ना? अगर आप ग्रिड बनाएंगे, कैनवस पे ग्रिड बनाएंगे, फिर ये फ्लावर ड्रॉ करेंगे, आप कितना एरेज करेंगे? वो नहीं जाता है। एंड फिर वो पेंसिल का जो ग्रेफाइट जो होता है, वो ये हम कितना लाइट कलर कर रहे हैं, वो ग्रेफाइट का इसमें आ जाता है, फिर वो गंदा हो जाता है। ओके, यस, इसीलिए यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट ऑन द बटर पेपर। ओके, and one more thing, if you have if you like this painting, okay, if you want to paint again, okay, let's say ये आपने sell कर दिया, but somebody they like it also, so they want same painting, then you have to paint the same painting again. Then what will you do? You have to just trace it on the canvas again. You don't have to draw the whole thing again, है ना? अगर आपने कैनवस पे ड्रॉ किया और आपने ये सेल कर दिया, ठीक है, और किसी और को फिर से पसंद आया एंड यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द पेंट द सेम पेंटिंग, तो आपको फिर से ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा ना। अगर ट्रेस पेपर पे है तो आपके पास तो वो है, आपके पास रहेगा हमेशा के लिए, एंड यू कैन पेंट as many paintings as you want. Okay, like I have told you in the jewelry workshop also, jewelry free class also, I have drawn my drawings on yes, I have drawn the designs on A4 साइज पेपर, नॉर्मल अपना जो नॉर्मल पेपर नहीं होता है उस पे ड्रॉ करके रखा हुआ है। ओके, एंड आई यूज द सेम पेपर एंड विद द कैनवस, बिकॉज ज्वेलरी का तो यू नो पीपल वांट सेम ज्वेलरी, सेम डिजाइन अगेन एंड अगेन, अगेन एंड अगेन. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स विल यू ड्रॉ? So if you draw it on a paper and keep it, then you can easily trace it and make the jewelry out of it. Yeah. ठीक है. Okay. So this is how we have to complete our flower. तो वो नॉर्मल पेपर जो होता है उस पे मैंने ड्रॉ करके रख लिया है ज्वेलरी का। तो अगर कोई फिर से मांगते हैं सेम डिज़ाइन, तो मेरे पास डिज़ाइन बिल्कुल रेडी है। तो बस यू हैव टू ट्रेस इट and paint it. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, and ये यहाँ पे हमारा फ्लावर, it's going like this. You have to give white here. ये बहुत ज़्यादा white है यहाँ पे. We have to apply more white. And blend it. Okay. Yeah. एंड नीचे का जो है ये वाला पार्ट, दिस इज वेरी डार्क एंड दिस इज लाइट. ओके, फर्स्ट विल पेंट दिस लाइट पेटल, लाइट साइड. ओके, so now I have many trace papers at home, so whenever somebody asks the same painting again, then our design is ready. Okay, here it is. We have to give shadow, so take ultramarine blue, crimson, make little dark. Okay, and we'll add little bit of yellow also here, but not now, little later. Okay, okay, yeah. Thank you Prachi ji, thank you Geeta ji, thank you for joining. Radhe Radhe. And happy Navratri to all of you. Yeah, okay, and we'll give yellow also little later. We have to give yellow here also, here also. So let me finish this petal, then we'll add yellow. Okay, okay, and take take this violet and give one shadow line here. Wash it, will give little bit of white. Thank you, Geeta ji, thank you. We'll add little bit of white here. Okay. And ये इसके नीचे we have to give shadow, okay? Because this petal is below that petal, okay? So we have to give little bit of shadow and just take white and blend it. तो वो थोड़ा सा we have to give that shadow effect here and blend it. Yeah. And we'll add little bit of white to this petal, okay? And it is white here also. Yeah. Now we'll take yellow, cadmium yellow. Cadmium yellow, lemon yellow and yellow ochre. Okay. Lemon yellow, cadmium yellow. I will take a little bit of yellow ochre. If you don't have cadmium yellow, then you can take chrome yellow. Okay. So what are the colors? Lemon yellow, cadmium yellow, yellow ochre. So we'll start with lemon yellow. Okay. Lemon yellow. Now I am taking cadmium yellow. Pull it down. Now I am taking yellow ochre here. This is yellow ochre. Okay. It will take some time to finish this painting. I guess we have to continue next week also. Yeah. So just try to blend it. Just tap it, okay? Blending मतलब पूरा ऐसे ब्रश नहीं करना है. We are just tapping on the area, okay? And give some dots, yellow ochre dots on the lemon yellow area, okay? Yeah, that's it. Now take cadmium yellow and give some lines here. Pull it till here. Okay. You have to give cadmium yellow. What is the yellow? Cadmium yellow. Okay. And we are taking yellow here also. This is cadmium yellow. Okay. And take little bit of lemon yellow and pull it here till here. ठीक है, ये सामने लेमन येलो आ रहा है. ओके, शोभिता जी, we should not mix watercolor or acrylic colors and oil colors. Everything is all colors are different. Okay, but you should be like, you should get yellow ochre in your kit na. When you take 12 shades ka kit, you'll get yellow ochre in that kit, as far as I know. मैंने तो किट खरीदना बहुत पहले खरीदा था. Now तो I purchase all loose colors and that to 120 ml का big size tubes. But if you take 12 shades का set, I guess उसमें yellow ochre होना चाहिए. Sure, Simijit, and it will be a pleasure. You can show me. And we'll take yellow ochre here. Okay, because this is little dark, we are working on the shadow, so here we are taking yellow ochre. Okay, ठीक है. So this is how we have to finish our flower here. I guess ये जो shadow वाला petal है, this will be little dark, but once we finish this background na, once we finish this leaves, then we'll come to know. Okay, like we have to we have to darken this petal also. I will add this shadow color to this petal. Okay, what is our shadow color? Ultramarine blue and crimson. Okay, thank you Vishaka ji, thank you for joining. Thank you Shiv Shankar ji, thank you for joining. Okay, yeah, this is a very beautiful painting. ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Yeah, we'll see about these shadow petals once we finish our leaves. Okay, and okay, so I will close the session now, and please share it if it is possible. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, we'll continue next week also. Tomorrow we'll have the class around same time. We'll try to finish these two flowers because this flower was little big, but we can, I hope we'll be able to finish these two flowers tomorrow, and next week we'll finish our leaves. Okay, Thank you for joining.